Namaskar and good morning. Welcome to you all. Today we will look at two group companies, two frontline finance companies, Bajaj Finserv and Bajaj Finance. Both belong to the Bajaj Group, which has got a number of well-managed large-scale businesses. Of them, the finance group is spearheaded by Bajaj Finserv and Bajaj Finance. Bajaj Finance is in a way the holding company for the other finance related companies of the Bajaj Group. Bajaj Finance is also a very big finance company, but Bajaj Finserv holds about 55% of the equity of Bajaj Finance. In other words, Bajaj Finance is a subsidiary of Bajaj Finserv. There are two other subsidiaries of Bajaj Finance: Bajaj Allianz General Insurance, Bajaj Allianz Life Insurance. They are starting their operations and they are also progressing very well. But if you say the major company, it is the Bajaj Finance. The other two are progressing in their respective fields. Now, Allianz is an internationally famous insurance company. Bajaj has teamed with Allianz to start its general insurance company and life insurance company. Bajaj Allianz General Insurance, Bajaj Allianz Life Insurance. Now, Bajaj Finserv is a totally debt-free company. Its surplus funds stand at 6.6 billion as on 30th June. It was 5.7 billion as on 30th June last year. Now it is 6.6 billion. Progressing wonderfully, Now the consolidated net worth stands at 209 billion. Last year it was 167 billion, now it is 209 billion. The consolidated book value per share is 1315. Last year it was 1051. Now the total revenue of Bajaj Finserv is 8,771.1 crores. 8,771.1 crores total revenue in Q1. Now, the last year Q1 was 7,535.6 crores and the growth in the revenue is 16%. Not bad. The net worth is 20,919.6 crores. 20,919.6 crores as on 30th June net worth. Whereas last year 30th June it was 16,720.3, a growth of 25% year on year. The profit after tax of Bajaj Finserv is 825.8 crores. Huge figure, 825.8 crores profit after tax. Last year it was 584.5 crores. So there is a growth of 41% year on year. So profit after tax is 825.8 crores, a growth of 41%. Earnings per share on a face value of 5 is 51.9, quite impressive. Earnings per share is 51.9. Now price earning is 33.37. Not very high but not low. But for the type of growth but Bajaj Finserv is achieving, it seems okay. It still has a lot of scope. Now the last year at this time price was 4,975. Current price is 6,927. So a growth of 39%. So it is Bajaj Finance, you may not call it 1 year 39% growth is there in the price. You may not call it as a multi-bagger, but it is something what you can call it as a compounder. In 2 years, 2.5 years, in 2.5 years it can double at this rate. Now let us go to Bajaj Finance. As we said, Bajaj Finance is a subsidiary of Bajaj Finserv. It's a diversified NBFC lending in consumer finance, SME, commercial and rural lending. It has got the highest credit rating of AAA stable by CRISIL, ICRA, CARE, etc. It has strong distribution presence all over India. The assets under management are something like 933 billion rupees as on 30th June. Net NPA is very low at 0.44% as of this 30th June. Now, Bajaj Allianz General Insurance, it is also growing well, but it is not a listed company. It has got the highest PA, profit after tax, among the private players. Return on equity is 23%. Second largest private general insurance in India in terms of gross premium. It has got a wide range of products across retail and corporate segments, that is general insurance. Likewise, life insurance. It is among the top 5 private sector life insurance players in India. It has got a deep pan-India distribution presence. Wherever Bajaj Finance is there, all these are also there, almost. Diversified distribution mix is there. For distribution, it is adopting so many channels: agency, bank assurance, alternate channels, direct, etc. Now, assets under management are 532 billion as on 30th June. Net worth is 94 billion, and it's one of the most profitable private life insurance players in India. Now let us go back to Bajaj Finance, which is the most active, most visible, and for us the most important because it is listed. Assets under management is 93,313.9 crores. 93,313.9 crores. Last year it was 68,945.4 crores, a growth of 35% in the assets under management. Quite impressive. The total income is 3,941.3 crores as on 30th June, total income. Last year, same quarter, 2,833.9 crores, growth is 39%, very impressive in total income. Look at profit after tax, 835.9 crores, 835.9 crores in current year, Q1. Last year Q1, 460.9 crores, growth is 81%. Now, Bajaj Finance has got a wide distribution network and number of different products. It is cross-selling its products to private people, SMEs, etc. Different types of products are there. Highly agile and innovative. It is technologically very superior, analytically very superior. So it is able to zero in on potential loan takers very easily, and a trusted brand with a great brand equity. Overall franchise is 28.28 million. Cross-selling client base is 16.55 million. So it is continuously improving its products and cross-selling also. Now, the assets under management, how they are distributed among the 5 groups is consumers, direct consumer 39%, rural 7%, SME 13%, commercial 13%, and mortgage 28%. So it's a highly metricized company. So data management is very superb. Manages risk and controllership very effectively. Now let us take a look at the highlights of Q1. Book size is 89,903.7 crores. Last year it was 65,183.7 crores. The growth in the book size is 38%. The total income for Q1 is 3,941.3 crores. Last year Q1 2,833.9 crores. Growth is 39%. 39% in income growth is quite superb. Profit after tax is 835.9 crores. 835.9 crores for a finance company. And 460.9 crores was in Q1 last year. The growth is 81%, we have seen earlier also. The return on assets is 1% this year. Last year it was 8%. Return on equity is quite good, 5.2%. Last year it was 5%. Earnings per share is 14.37 on a face value of rupees 2. 14.37 on a face value of 2. That is the EPS. The price earning is 47.31. Quite naturally, it's a very lucrative company. Most people want to put their money in here. There is no way of losing it if you put the money in Bajaj Finance. That's the belief of many people. Last year the price was 1,682. Current price is around 2,714. The price increase in 1 year is 61%. 61%, when you say that again, we can say it is not a multibagger in 1 year. But definitely it's a multibagger in 2 years' time. So people believe in Bajaj Finance. Many people. Looks like that. So price is high, but growth is definite. It has been growing wonderfully in the past also, and 61% growth in Q1 year on year. Now you decide, would you like to buy at this current price? But if you buy that 61% growth seems to be quite good, alluring. So these two are the major finance companies. We have seen earlier also IndiaBulls Ventures. That was also a very good finance company. We have seen that. Now decide for yourself. I wish you all the best. Again, I request you to subscribe to this channel. Tell your friends also. But listen to each and every video 2 or 3 times. My strong request is that, because you will understand all implications of the video only then. I will be coming up before you with another great videos. Many I will cover will be in the lower ranges of the price group, which are affordable for retail investors. But a few will be in the slightly higher ranges. See, instead of purchasing 1,000 there, you can purchase 100 here, or even 10 or 50 here. Both are good. So you have to make your. You will see the tactics and strategies also. Please listen to them also very carefully. They are more important than this, actually. If you know the tactics and strategies, you will be a great investor. Thank you. Thank you for listening.